Hi everyone, it's Angela from Discount School Supply. Tonight I'm here to talk to you about family engagement. Now these kits are called family engagement because they are meant to send home with families. So whether you buy them as a family yourself to use them, or whether you're a school or preschool or daycare and you buy these, you can use these for the kids or the parents to check out and take home and bring back, or you can set them up as centers in your center. So let's take a look at some of these. I'm going to start with this one right here, which is our Life Cycle Family Engagement Kit. Each of our kits comes with these task cards, different activities that you can do. It walks you through the lesson so you're not having to create the lesson yourself. The front is in English, and the back is in Spanish to get those families involved who are mainly Spanish speaking. Now, each kit comes with a book, and you can see the book we chose for this kit is called Monarchs. The thing I love about this book is the great photography. So even as a young child who cannot read the book, they can still walk through the life cycle. And if the parents are able to, they can read the words to the kids, and this walks them through the life of a monarch butterfly. So as you can see, great pictures to talk about. Ooh, look, you can see the wings starting to grow there. And then it talks about when he emerges. And then voila, there is our butterfly. Again, great pictures. After the kids learn about the life cycle of the butterfly, they're going to be able to walk through this and tell the story without even being able to read the words, which is awesome. Okay, so every kit does come with a book, but then they also come with hands-on activities. So the first thing we gave you here is one of our magnifying glasses. Now this is so you can take the kids outside and they can look for their own caterpillars or butterflies. It's a great little wand. It's got the big handle for those little hands to hold on to. The other thing, if you don't go outside, you can use it with our Life Cycle Figurines kit. So you can see, here's the stages of the life cycle of the butterfly. So these are great for the kids to put in the correct order, or to use as models so they can draw their own pictures of the life cycle of the butterfly. This is one of my favorite kits. Let me tell you about a couple of our other kits. This one is our STEM kit. So this is the book, The Do Nothing Machine, which is awesome. And then you get lots of pieces in here and lots of different tasks so the kids can create their own STEM creations. Hey, maybe they'll create their own Do Nothing machine. Over here, we have another example. This is our shapes one. Now this one, I love this book. Baby, Find the Shapes. This is one of those awesome books that's made with that special paper. I love this. Chew-proof, rip-proof, non-toxic, 100% washable. So this is great for if you have those littles that tend to drool or have messy hands. This will be great for them. And again, we have the hands-on pieces. This is our Shape a Barn. So you can see it has different shapes for the kiddos to match through the windows. Matching is a very important skill. And again, we have our task cards. And then we have this fun little guy. I want to take him out of the package because I think he's just the cutest thing. So these are those different stacking cups that go from smallest to largest. And look at this little, it looks like a little mouth with the eyes. I just love this. This is a spinner bath toy. But again, you don't have to use it in the bath. You can use it for stacking, for creating different characters, largest to smallest. You can have your kids identify the shapes, the colors. So this is another great kit here for you to use to send home or as centers. Love it. Again, my name is Angela. Thank you for joining me here. Make sure you check out our website for all of our fun family engagement kits.